everyone, I'm back, and in this video I'm going to explain about it, a sorting concept. What is sorting means how to arrange the data, like how you are going to arrange the data in an alphabetical order, or how you are going to arrange the data 1 to 10 order or 10 to 1, like how you can able to sorting your rows top to bottom, bottom to top. Everything will be covered in this video. This particular class is specially for sorting and it's very important and you need to know the logics in it. So let's get started. For this, I'm going to open my SAS software to explain in a better. Please note that there is a task at the end of the video. Watch the video entirely and respond to the task by leaving your comments below. Now we'll talk about sorting concept. So what is meant by sorting? Sorting means it is so in this particular concept of sorting, what you have to do is you need to make sure sorting the data. How you can sort the data, the existing data set, you can sort it with by using this proc sort concept. Imagine I'll take a data from somewhere. I have a data with me with the name of class, but I have a different age people we have in the data. We have a age of what I can say that 11 years, 12 years, 13 years, 14 years, 15 years, 16 years. But now I wanted to arrange the data according to the age. So whoever is the smallest kid and then followed by the next one, followed by the next one, I want it in that order. So in that case, what you can do is you can just tell to your SAS by using a concept name called PROC, means it's a procedure. Sort means I'm telling my SAS to sort it. Data equal to your data set name, I'm writing it. PROC sort data equal to my data set name, I'm just writing it. So that is going to be PROC sort data equal to that is my SAS help library. Already have my data class, I'm just semicolon, I'm just writing it, and run statement. So with this, when I try to execute it, so I can sort it. When I try to sort it, it will throw an error in my log saying it user no by statement are used, or no by variables are specified in the by statement. Basically no by statement used or no by variables are specified. Why it is talking about, when you are sorting the data, you need to tell to the SAS by which variable wise you need to sort it. As I said earlier, I need to sort the data based on the age. So you need to make sure to write it by statement by age, you need to write it and semicolon. This will allow me to sorting the data by age wise. When you execute it, the data sorted by age, that's what we thought. But we just go there and check your log. User, you can see another message in your log saying it user doesn't have any appropriate authorization level for the library SAS help. That means you are trying to overwrite of the same data set SAS help library containing class data set. You are trying to overwrite with age wise sorting order, you want to overwrite it. Actually you are not interested to have the data age wise sorting order, understand? So you want to sort the data by age. So by age wise you have written, but you can't override the same data set. That's the reason why you create a dummy data set for your purpose by using a statement called out equal to, I'm just trying to write it the data out, data equal to your data set name. I can write it any data set name, let's say KK. I'm interested to store my sorted data based on the age wise the data whatever is created, right? The sorted latest data set, I'm interested to store it in my KK. When I try to execute it, I'm done. Go there and looking into the log. So now you can see that the data set is just got sorted. Where it is saved? It is saved in work library. Go to your KK data set now. See, the data set is sorted based on the age wise. All the 11 years first, then followed by the 12, followed by the 13, followed by the 14, followed by the 15 and 16. You get it. The question is, which one will comes first in the 11 years? So very simple. According to the creation order, there are 11, 11, 2 11s are there. So in this particular SAS help library, you just see, go to your SAS help library, open the class data set. Okay, so the first 11 you have in your data is Joyce. Next 11 we have in the data is Thomas. Automatically, according to the sort order, whichever the variable is comes first, whichever the observation is first appearing as 11, you will get it, then followed by the next one. Instead of that,
okay, instead of that you are interested, okay, age wise we have a duplicate, so then let's sorting the data, age and as well as sex variable both also need to be sorted. That means first I need to sort it all the female with 11 years, then followed by the all the males with 11 years. I want to add one more by variable. Instead of just taking a order according to the creation order however it is created in the data set, I want to go in order whatever I mentioned it here. How can I tell to my SAS how to take this order? You just mention it. One more by variable for your purpose. You just mention age wise I need to sort it, based on the sex wise also I need to sort it. First I need to sort it based on the sex. First let's decide, is it a male or female sorting order? There are a lot of females and a lot of males. When you're sorting in the data, what happens, first see only sex wise. If I sort it, what happens? When you go there and open it, go to your work library in KK dataset. If you open it, only females you got it first, then followed by the males. If you are sorting the data by A to Z letters wise, A will be the first, B will be the second, C will be the third, and all it will go in that order. So females is the first person, then followed by the male. All the female data is sorted first, then followed by the male. But where is the age in it? You are expecting the age also need to be get in sorting order within a female. Then we can tell to us as by mentioning it with sex and as well as age, both also I'm just using to sort it. When you try to execute it and run the program, I think I'm just done. So now you just go there and open your data. First female wise sorted within a female, 11 years, 12 years, 13 years, 14 years, 15 years, you got it. Again males wise, 11 years, 12 years, 13 years, 14 years, 15 years, you got it. Apart from that, you want it height also. The smallest height people with 11 years should be top, and the highest height people would be at the bottom or something like that. So you just mention, even in your by statement you try to mention height also, HEI GHT height, even that one also when you try to execute it, you see in the data. So now with 11 years, okay, with the female first you got it, within a female with 11 years 51.3. With 12 years there are two 12 years age group people in the data within a female. Within that 56.3 inches person will be the first one, 59.8 inches will be the next person. Got it? So what happens, when there is, when you are not deciding it, that means there are no two females both also same and their age is also same, then you need to find out a uniqueness by which variable wise if you sort it, then only you will get that particular variable. Sorting up and down will be happen, you need to choose that variable in real time. By variable keeping always decided based on your purpose. Your purpose is what we want it, based on the sex, based on the height, and based on the based on the sex, based on the age and height. Whichever is the smaller one, let it be top, and whichever is the bigger one, let it be the bottom. Imagine within a age wise itself there is a duplicate, there is no duplicates in your data. That means there is no 11 years two times, only one time. 12 years not a two times, only one time. Whether you are keeping this height or not, it's not a problem at all. The reason is automatically data will be get sorted based on the age variable wise. So you don't need to worry about it's need to really sorted by the sex wise, required or not required, because there is no dependency of your height variable anymore, because the uniqueness already there in my data with age wise. So there is no need of sorting the data again based on the unnecessary variable here. If you can able to solve this without any duplicates in the age, then there is no point of having this particular height variable right now, right? So that's what happens. You can keep n number of by variables into your by statement. So this is about a brief description about sorting concept of how we can able to sort the data. The data set is already there with me. I want to sort it the data based on the sex wise, based on the age wise, based on the height wise, weight wise. If you're really interested, you can sort it and you can save that sorted data set into a new data set name called KK. So, and while trying to write it, you are sorting the data, but what happened in my KK, I'll have all the variables in the data, like name, sex, age, height, weight, all you are getting it. But I need it name, sex, age variables only required for my purpose. What you can do is in the KK data set, what you are trying to create it, you can just mention it, keep equal to, just mention keep equal to, I need name, age, and sex. Only these three variables only required for me for my analysis. I can just mention that too. when you execute it and run it, so now I have done that. I have sorted data based on the female and age wise, but I need only the columns which are required. I can keep it by just mentioning a statement after my dataset name using a keep, or else I can use another one called drop. Also I can use it, either keep or drop, for just keeping of my variables or dropping of my variables. When I say drop, except these three variables, remaining all the variables in your data, that is your height and weight, you will get it. So this is just a brief description and as well as brief idea on what is the concept of sorting. Sorting, even though it is a procedure method, it won't print anything in the output window at all. It won't so print the data at all. So it is sorting concept. It is just used only for sorting. You're really interested to print this particular new data set what you have created, you need to use a procedure called proc, means it's a procedure, print means you are printing it. Okay, so data equal to your data set name which you have created, so that is your kk semicolon, you run it, and then only you can see in the output window. Otherwise you have to see in a data set level only. If you just see the output window, it will be displayed. Otherwise sorting concept, it won't print the output in output window at all. With this we done with sorting the basics. What is proc print options, we have already learned in the last class, and this one is proc sort options, what we learned.
Now we have learned how to do a proc sort concept. So we have completely learned that concept. Now let me do a small task on this particular proc sort concept. So here the task is sorting a data by using proc sort concept. Create a SAS data set named EMP with the following data. So you have to create a data set with the name of EMP with this particular data set. The question is, sort the EMP data set by the department, ascending order, and salary in a descending order within each department. So that means what happens, so you need to sort the data, one variable, that is my department variable in a ascending order and salary variable in a descending order, I need to sort it. Create a new data set. So that is the first question. Second question is, create a new data set with the name of employee. So you have to create a new data set name with the name of employee. Now the third question is, what is the salary for the fourth observation? So you have to enter that particular observation value in the comment, so that I can provide you the right details and the right code in this particular description, as well as pinned comment in this particular below video, so that you can cross check your answer. But if you have any other questions or any other discussions you want to keep it, so try to write it in the comment section. So definitely you please like my videos so that you can proceed further. If you think that this particular training is really helpful, you thought of learning this particular course with me through online, so register yourself on the displayed details, so that you can able to get all the details and you can able to attend my demo session. I'll talk to you there. Thank you for watching. Please click on the like if you are interested on this particular video, and as well as subscribe for more updates. And if you have any questions or comments, please write it in the comment section. I'll take care. Thank you.